Hi everyone, welcome to Hard Tech. My name is Sam. I'm a data analyst and RPA developer. Before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon to get notification when I post a new video. Also, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate your support. Let's get into the video. You have probably heard of a new chatbot called ChatGPT and the things it can do. In this video, we will talk about ChatGPT and then go to ChatGPT website to create a free account. We will also have a chat with ChatGPT about ChatGPT and what it can do for us. So let's get into the video. To get a free ChatGPT account, you just go to Google, type in ChatGPT, and then click enter. And here you see the OpenAI.com page, or if you didn't see, it might be below you, or it could be on the top. It depends on where you're searching from. But you just Google it and then you click on the one that says OpenAI.com. ChatGPT is basically an OpenAI product. OpenAI is a AI company, and AI stands for artificial intelligence. So you just click on that, and you go to the OpenAI um, website. You just click on Try ChatGPT, and it takes you to the login page. Here you can sign up if you don't have an account yet. So you just click on Sign Up, and then here you see a bunch of options on how you can sign up. So you can sign up using your Google account or your Gmail. You can sign up your Microsoft account if you have a Microsoft account. You can also sign up your other emails if you have a Hotmail, uh, Yahoo, AOL, or any of the other uh, email service providers. Since I already have an account, I'll just go back and sign up or sign in, and then I'll show you how ChatGPT works. Okay, now I'm logged in. So this is sort of the front page of ChatGPT or a chatbot. It kind of gives you an example of what it is possible on here. So it says explain quantum computing. These are some of the examples. And here it says capabilities, what it can do. It can remember what the user said earlier in the conversation. It allow user to provide follow-up corrections, trained to decline inappropriate requests. Okay, and some of the limitation it has. So may occasionally generate incorrect information. That means that it is not accurate. Most of the AIs are not, because it does not have the human factor in it, because it is trained on purely data, and the decision we make and the things we do, there's a lot of emotions involved, and chatbot or any of the robots do not think that way, or they don't have the ability to feel. And that's why it says that occasionally it will give a accurate response based on that. Occasionally produce harmful instruction and biased content. So all of the AI tools are based on some sort of data. So if the data, the input data that the AI was trained on was biased, then the output will be biased. And most of the time, the data that is used to train an AI, people who are training it, they don't know that it was biased, and later on, they find out that it was biased or not. There has been a lot of controversies in the past about technologies like this being biased to some ethnicity or some genders in the past. It's pretty well known knowledge. However, it has limitations, so it's limited knowledge of the world event after 2021. So it is saying that the data, since the data is trained on the previous knowledge, it has past knowledge, but it does not have that much knowledge in present. Like after 21, like in 2022, it does not have a lot of information about 2022, so it does not know a lot of things about 2022. Those are limitation of the chatbot. Okay, so we can get started. Let's ask chatbot how it was trained. So how ChatGPT was trained. So whenever an AI tool is built, it is trained on some sort of data, and whatever the data is fed, then you get an output result. So for example, if you tell the bot that, hey, if this happened, you respond this, and every time the bot get that question, it will respond in a specific way because that's how it was trained. So now we are asking GPT or chatbot how it was trained, and here it is. It gave us an answer. So it says GPT, generative pre-trained transformer. That's what GPT stands for. Is a type of language model developed by OpenAI. So OpenAI is a AI company. It was trained on a massive data set of over 40 gigabytes of text data taken from the internet, which was collected and cleaned by OpenAI team. 40 gigabytes of data, that's a lot of data. The text data was used to train the model to generate human-like text by predicting the next word in a sequence giving the previous word. So it's saying that it was trained from the information that is available on the internet, 40 GP worth of data, and it was trained from that data, so it can tell what it can predict what a person would do. So it is trained in a way that if you were writing something, it will can predict the next word because the bot thinks that this is what you're supposed to write, and this is what the next word would be. And here it kind of explain more about the training process of GTP involved using a variant uh, unsupervised learning called self-supervised learning. So self-supervised learning is basically when you feed a data to a machine learning algorithm and then you just let it do whatever it's supposed to do. That's kind of unsupervised learning. Supervised learning are opposite, where you kind of have all of the you are kind of involved in all part of the process. That's how all the AIs are trained. So in this model, the model is trained to perform a specific task, such as predicting the next word in the sentence, without the need to for explicit label or annotations. And during the training process, the model learned patterns relationship in text data that enable it to generate coherent and fluent text. And some of the other stuff about ChatGPT. Let's ask other stuff about ChatGPT. How smart is ChatGPT? Let's ask ChatGPT how smart it is. So see, I made a typo. Let's wonder if it will be able to find out if what this G is supposed to be. So here, the response is based on what is supposed to be here. So that's what they talked about earlier, that it has learned from the data from internet and it can predict what the next word would be. So here I made a typo. How smart egg chat GPT. So, but the chatbot knows that I meant is, and it responded based on what if my question was how smart is ChatGPT. So it kind of says that ChatGPT is a very advanced and capable language model and is considered to be one of the most powerful language model currently available. It can understand, generate text in a wide range of topic style and can perform many natural language processing tasks such as text completion, summarization, translation, and question answering. One of the key features of GPT is the ability to generate human-like text. It can generate text that is difficult to distinguish from text written by a human, with coherent grammar and appropriate style. So it says that it can actually write like a human, it can translate like a human, and can answer a question like a human. And there are other things. I'm not going to go into read every single line, but that's what it is saying. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a song. Write a song for how tech. Let's see. So I asked ChatGPT to write a song for how tech. See here, ChatGPT knows that how tech meant a digital platform, and the song is sort of digital. It says digital age has just begun, a new world to be won. With technology at our fingertips, we are connected. We won't slip. Very interesting. So all the lyrics to the songs are based on technology, and I asked it to write a song for How Tech, which is the YouTube channel. And some are connecting us across the globe, breaking down the barriers that once obstacles. Tech is taking us the new height. A future so bright is beautiful sight. Very amazing. This is very smart, and how it can interpret that the name I given it is not for a person but a for something techie, and that's what the song is about too. I think this is probably it for ChatGPT. You can definitely see that it is a very smart and powerful AI, and with when it's more in use, it will probably learn more from the chat that people actually talk to it, and it will learn more, and it will become smarter and smarter in the future. This is it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and please like this video if it was helpful to you. And that's it. Thank you so much.